manicure. Wow! Hello Kitty loves this design. Good thing it's saved to your album. Here's your very own album, where all of the manicures you've already designed are saved. Hi! Welcome to Hello Kitty's Nail Salon. Here, you can help her create super cute nail designs. If you practice your skills by creating specially designed manicures, you'll learn more and more stars. Explore your creativity in freestyle. The best nail designers always have the most unique designs. Are you ready for a challenge in Match This? Copy the specially designed manicure prepared for you. If you match the manicure perfectly, you'll see how much Hello Kitty loves your work. In Hello Kitty's Nail Salon, you can become the best nail designer you can possibly be. What would you like to do now? Change the background style and choose the skin color for your hand. What nail shape do you want to use? Choose it by tapping the Nail Shape button. So, what's the latest trend in nail polish color? Choose the color you want to use from the tray. Use your finger to brush it on the nail. What pattern inspires you today?
This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played
Press the next button to continue.
Paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Now to make it super cute by adding a character. Drag the character you want onto your nail, anywhere you like. Now to add some final touches. Choose from Gorgeous. Let's keep going.
Give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up
with your manicure, tap on the camera, take a photo of your hand, or use a model's hand for your manicure. Wow! Hello Kitty loves this design. Good thing it's saved in your album. Here's your very own album, where all of the manicures you've already designed are saved.